Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to convert AI art or JPEG or PNG images or art or whatever it may be to vectors. So if you are working with vectors and it's just easier for you to find vectors, or maybe it's difficult and you just want it to be simple where you can just convert any AI art into vectors, I've got the solution for you. It's very simple and it's very straightforward. You simply just upload your art and then you just get the vector. So this is going to be, instead of using Illustrator where you can just do things a little bit more manually, this is going to be fully automatic. And then afterwards, maybe after you are done with the platform, you can go ahead and use it on Illustrator and it's already going to be done for you. But if you want to just edit things a little bit more, you can do that as well. So I'm just going to show you a few examples, two examples. If I need more, then I will also show you, but I will be using OpenArt and Let's Enhance to create AI art. And then I will be using the platform Vectorizer.ai, which will be the tool needed in order to convert art into vectors. So I did say OpenArt and Let's Enhance, but it's not just for them. If you are using Midjourney, if you're using other platforms that are AI generating images and stuff, it's going to also work for them. So it's not just going to be exclusive for these two. So here it's going to be Vectorizer.ai, and you can just go ahead and click on it, and you can see here it's going to be doing the work for you. It says here, convert your JPEG and PNG bitmaps to SVG vectors quickly and easily. Now it is in beta. It says here fully automatic and using AI. It does use AI and it is in beta. And even though it is in beta, it is very, very excellent. And you will see that in a minute, how excellent the platform is when it comes to actually turning them into vectors. And you will see it yourself with these examples that I will show you. And it does use AI and it's fully automatic. So you don't really have to worry about actually learning how to use it. It's very, very simple. You can see just drag image here to begin, and then you will just have it done for you, which I will show you right now. So last thing I need to mention, it is free while in beta. So for now, at the moment I'm recording, it is free because it is in beta. So after you're finished watching this video, you can go ahead and visit this website and create as many vectors as you need before it is fully out, and then it's going to be a paid platform, I believe. I'm not from the future, I don't know. Maybe you will have a free version there. I don't really know. For now, it is for free, fully, so you can use it right now for free. So without talking even more, we can just use OpenArt to create some art here. Now I was thinking Saturn, so I will just use this prompt to create my own because it kind of looks nice. So we can just go ahead and create mine now because I took the prompt from there, and I will be using the same prompt here. Saturn, highly detailed, that kind of stuff. Okay, so we can just simply create. Now with OpenArt, you can also have my video is not really about OpenArt, but until this finishes loading, you can generate. You've got multiple options here, like number of images, that kind of stuff, as well as upscale and enhance if you want, which is all going to be useful for creating AI art. But until it's done, it's very, very simple. You can simply just click here, you upload your image and stuff, and we already got one, which is not the best. I don't know what's going on around here, but let's see if the other one is better. And the other one is better. So I will just be using this for now, for the sake of the tutorial. So we can simply just download it. And let's actually have it in desktop to make it easier to find. Okay, So after you got your art, you simply just go to your victorizer.ai. And then from here, it is for if it's for free when you are watching this, follow along. If it's not, then I don't know what to tell you because I'm not from the future. So you can simply just click on pick image to victorize, and then you just select the image, and then you just wait. That's it. It's uploading, processing, and then fetching, and that's it. So wait for it to be done. It's very, very quick. It's not going to take too long. And we've got our vector here. So remember, it is in beta, so sometimes it may look kinda not the best, but it also depends on the image because look, when you're talking about vectors, the more simple it is, the better results you will have. Because look, if we look at the rock here, for example, let's see if we zoom in, you can see how the right side, the vectorized result, how detailed it is compared to how not so detailed the left original image is. So because this is more realistic kind of approach and more detailed with the prompt that I had, it's not going to be the best results, but you can see the rest, like the piece of wood here, how it's going to look like, the stones, or the rocks here, the rings, how detailed you can see. How when you zoom in, it's very, very detailed and very excellent when it comes to that kind of stuff. We can see here as well the side-by-side comparison. If you go down here, you can see how it goes. So maybe this is not the best example, and this is why I'm going to include two examples. So let's just exit out of this and go to let's enhance and create a image from here. So let's just do realistic photo of let's think of something here. Let's just do rocky, oh my bad, rocky mountain. We don't want it to be super detailed, so let's just do vector image, high quality. Maybe I'm not the best with writing prompts, so just bear with me here, but I think this should be enough. So let's just do photo here. Maybe nature, maybe low-key. Let's do sun rays, long shot. And let's just stick to that. Let's just generate and see what happens. So until it's done generating, I think I will pause because I don't want this video to be too long, but it is like you can see, like already you know how it works. You just simply go to this website and do the thing that I just did. So let's just use this one, for example. Let me upscale it to make it even look better and then get the image. And then from here, after it's done processing, I will just download it and get back to you. So hold on. Okay, great. So I just downloaded the images right here. This one right here. Okay, so let's actually turn this into a vector. So if we go back here and pick image to vectorize, and we just pick this image right here. So cropped image exceeds size limit and will be scaled to fit. So make sure you stick to the size limit. I'm just going to use this. I think it's just going to scale it so it fits. So it's fine for me right now. But if you don't want to lose any bit of the image, make sure you stick to it. But we simply just wait, upload, process, and then fetch, and then we are good to go having an amazing vector image. Again, it's for free and it's very simple and easy and automatic. And afterwards, when you're happy with the results, you can simply just take it to Illustrator, and then from there just work on it or edit it even more if you want to. So let's go zoom in into the back mountain here, so you can just see how detailed everything is. You can see on the left side is the original image, and on the right side is the more detailed one, or the vectorized image, which is using AI, and it is crazy how detailed it made it to be within a few seconds. We can also see here we lose some of the trees and stuff. Remember, this is still in beta, but like considering everything, the fact that it is in beta and stuff, like if we go a little bit further out, you can see how clean it looks, and then if we just zoom in, you will see how even more clean it looks. So this is simply it. Now, once you are done and you're happy with it, you simply just click on download. It's going to give you a few options here if you want to change them. And then once you are done, you simply just click on download, and it's going to give you the file, the SVG file, like you see right here. And it's as simple as that. So I hope this video helped you and showed you how to actually vectorize, if that is even a word, a image or AI art, and it's very simple. So thanks for watching, guys.